Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can customize Samsung Galaxy phone with One UI 6.0, especially on how to customize our home screen, lock screen, and our theme. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and as you can see guys, that here I'm just using the default theme, and I'm going to show you how I customize my Samsung Galaxy phone with One UI 6.0. First of all, I'm going to show you how I customize my home screen. We can tap and hold on any empty area of our home screen. Then we can go to the wallpaper and style. I'm going to change the wallpaper of my home screen. We just need to click on change wallpaper. And here, if you want to get a bunch of free wallpapers for free, you can go to the Galaxy themes. You can tap on Galaxy themes right here. And here are the wallpapers I have downloaded from Galaxy themes. Then if you want to get more wallpapers, you just need to click on this option. And here you can access a lot of wallpapers. For example, I'm going to search for the city theme. Okay, and if you want to get the free wallpapers, you just need to folder it. You can select top free, and I'm just going to select this one, for example, city night. Then we can click on download, and after the wallpaper has been downloaded, you can click on apply to apply this wallpaper to your phone. You can choose where to apply. You can apply it to your lock screen and home screen, and I'm going to apply it to both of them, so I'm just going to click on next. Okay, and this is the preview guys. If you want to customize your lock screen before you apply the wallpaper, actually you can customize it right here. So this is the clock style. For the clock style, I'm gonna go with this one. We can also change the font right here. Okay, for example, I'm gonna go with this one guys. And you can also change the color. Okay, I think it looks good. Then we can place this clock to the part that we want. I'm going to place it right here. Okay, once you're done, you just need to click on done. Okay, and now the wallpaper has been applied to my lock screen and home screen. Again, this is how it looks, and if you want to customize it, you just need to do the same step I have told you before. You can tap and hold on any empty area on your home screen, and then you can go to wallpaper and style. Then here we can also change the color palette as well. You can tap on color palette and you can activate it, and I'm gonna go with this one. We can also access the basic color if you want. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, click on apply. Okay, now the color palette has been changed, as you can see. Okay, and I have told you how I customize my home screen and lock screen, and now I'm going to show you how I customize my apps icon. We can tap and hold on our home screen, then we can go to themes. I'm going to change my apps icon. We can go to icons, then I'm going to search for the free icon. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one, for example. We can click on download, then we can click on apply. Okay, and this is the result guys. As you can see that I have changed my lock screen and home screen wallpaper and also my apps icon. And I guess that's how we can customize Samsung Galaxy phone with One UI 6.0. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.